Hi everybody, this is Chef Rohan, and today I will show you how to make potato chips on the Pit Boss Ultimate Griddle. So it's really easy to do. You just need some potato, a slicer like this one, and on the minimum, okay? So you get really thin slice of potato, okay, like that. You rinse the potato slices in the water, in the fresh water. Then we will put some olive oil on the griddle, and you'll get perfect chips in less than 5 minutes. So, put some oil on the whole surface. Some salt and pepper. Now you flip only once. Leave it.